Many workers take safety shoes lightly. Some feel they're uncomfortable, and some believe accidents won't happen to them. But the truth is, one small mistake can lead to serious injuries, just like what you're seeing now. A single moment of carelessness can cause crushed toes, puncture wounds, slips, or even electrical shock. That's why safety shoes are not optional. They're essential. Let's look at why safety shoes are so important. Safety shoes are designed to protect your feet from workplace hazards. They help prevent crush injuries when heavy objects fall or roll onto your feet. They stop sharp objects, like nails or glass, from piercing through the sole. They reduce the risk of slipping on wet or oily surfaces, and certain safety shoes can even protect you from electrical hazards or chemical spills. In short, safety shoes protect you from painful, costly, and sometimes permanent injuries. There are several types of safety shoes for different purposes. First, steel-toe safety shoes, the most common type, with a strong steel cap to protect your toes from impact and compression. Second, composite toe shoes, lighter, non-metallic, and suitable for those who need protection without the extra weight. Third, puncture-resistant shoes, designed with a midsole plate to stop sharp objects from penetrating the bottom of the shoe. Fourth, slip-resistant shoes, made with special outsoles to reduce the chance of slipping on wet or oily floors. Fifth, electrical hazard shoes, built to insulate your feet from electrical currents, ideal for electrical work. Always choose the right type of safety shoe based on your job and the hazards around you. To get full protection, safety shoes must be worn correctly. Inspect your shoes before starting work. Look for cracks, worn soles, or damage. Make sure the shoes fit properly and are laced up tightly. Keep them clean, dry, and replace them when the protective features are worn out. Damaged safety shoes can't protect you. Safety starts from the ground up. Wearing safety shoes may seem simple, but it plays a big role in preventing serious injuries. Protect your feet, protect your future. Stay safe, and always wear your PPE.